Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to make money in Southwest Florida. Before we start the video, I'm going to shout out Fathimas8i9785 for subscribing to my channel. If you want to get a shout out, do like and subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's get into the video. You guys need to download AutoClicker in Play Store. I don't know about Apple Store. If you're using iPhone, then I can't help you, but if you're using Android, then this gonna help you. Of the best choice of AutoClicker is Game Master AutoClicker. Click on it and install. Once you install it, you have to set the AutoClicker. Okay, the AutoClicker asks you to allow it in settings. On it, click on allow. Then click on confirm. Click on start and on the AutoClicker to make it work. Okay, now click on confirm. Okay, the top 3 best job to make most money is car dealership, CAF, and fintech. You can choose these 3 jobs. I'm choosing the car dealership. Okay, I will find a spot to make. Let's go around. This spot right here. Okay, now I want you to press this button. You need to put it on your joystick to make your avatar move. You can put another one to make it move around. Just like that, guys. You can grind away from keyboard while doing something. In car dealership general manager, you earn 1,750 per min. In 1 hour you earn 105,000. That's pretty good of amount, right? Before we end the video, I have tell this mistakes you guys have been doing. 1. You guys will be doing like this. If you away from keyboard grind on this, it gonna quit the job by itself. Same as this bacon doing here too. I recommend doing on my technique. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe. See you in the next video.